Oh, hi. Thanks for joining us today. Today I'm talking about our Level 3 Outdoor Activity Instructor Apprenticeship and how you can join Rockley and train as an outdoor activity instructor. This is one of our newest courses and one of the ones that is really growing with us right now. We're excited about this programme and excited to get started. So, you've probably heard about Rockley. We've been operating for over 40 years now. We've been delivering college courses for 12 of those. So we're very used to doing what we do and training young people. So if you've got a passion for sport and the outdoors, if you want to get stuck in and you want to train to be an instructor, then the Level 3 Outdoor Activity Instructor Apprenticeship really can give you those skills and give you those opportunities. It's a real direct route into the industry. All of our courses at Rockley, all of our educational programmes work in partnership with our local education providers. So we work with Leaf Studio School. We also work with SCL, who are a training provider, and our apprenticeship programme is linked to Bournemouth Ample College. So what that means is what you're getting is a first-class educational experience down at the beach with us at Rockley, but you get everything you would expect from a government-funded programme. So that means we are inspected by Ofsted and we are fully accredited to be delivering these courses. What it also means is that the apprenticeship is government funded, so it won't cost you a penny. This is where we're based. So if you've not been down to Rockley before, this is where you can find us. This is our Rockley Point Centre, and what you can see around everywhere there is Poole Harbour, which is an amazing environment to study and an amazing environment to work. The L-shaped building, that is our classrooms. And within that building, we've got 5 classrooms, all as you would expect from any normal school or college. So we've got everything that you would expect when you walk into a classroom: projectors, laptop trolleys, whiteboards, everything. So it looks very much like a school down there. We've also got the green building, which is our cafe. This is a Costa cafe. So we've got lots of opportunities for you to get your caffeine fix down here. But the big difference is this is where you will study. So very different to a school environment. And the playground right there, that is the beach for our students. And our students get to indulge in whatever activities they want to. So they're kicking a ball around or throwing a frisbee around at the beach at lunchtime, or they might even get out for a windsurf or a stand-up paddleboard. So that's our facilities, and that's where our apprentices are based. So the Level 3 Outdoor Activity Instructor Apprenticeship, it's a full year programme, and I've put there it takes approximately 12 to 18 months. So it can get done in 12 months. Some apprentices need a bit longer, but on the whole, it's a year-long programme. But we have 12 to 18 months to get everything done. It is a full-time programme, and it shouldn't really be thought of as a study programme. It very much is a job. So there are 7 units that you will complete, so 7 units that you'll complete during the programme, and this will do as part of your off-the-job training. And the programme is equivalent to 2 A-levels, so it does carry UCAS points, and it does help towards anything that you might want to be doing in the future if you did want to go to university. But it's very practical and it's very hands-on, and that is because it is a job. We are employing you to come in and join the delivery team and work as an outdoor activity instructor. But what we'll do as part of that is we'll train you up so that you are able to do that job to the best of your ability. So as part of the programme, like I said, there's 7 units that you cover. All of them are very specific to outdoors and specific to you in your job role. So it's not like you're learning anything that you're not doing every single day. So the outdoor activity instructor needs to be able to prepare sessions. So they need to be able to plan sessions. They need to be able to prepare what they're doing for their school group that are coming in, or their clients or their guests. They need to then also be able to deliver sessions. So we have a whole unit around how to deliver sessions, what you might deliver and how you might do it. with every good session, you need to be able to, as an instructor, meet the outcomes of that session. So we have a whole unit around how you're going to actually meet those session outcomes. And the session outcomes can be of wide-ranging things. So it might be about team building, it might be a fun session, it might be an expedition, but a whole unit around how we actually meet these session outcomes that we've just planned. Then we look at completing sessions and what you should do at the end of a session. So we look at reviewing a session, making sure people have learnt things, asking them questions, debriefing, giving feedback, and those sorts of things. The last 3 units all relate to the organisation where you're working, really. So the organisational requirements, that relates to where you're based as part of your apprenticeship. So obviously you'll be based with Rockley, and as part of our organisation requirements, you will learn how we expect you to deliver the sessions. You'll learn all about our normal operating procedures and our emergency action plans. You'll learn all about how we expect you to do first aid, how we expect you to risk assess, all of those sorts of things. So anything that's in our operating procedures, this is where we cover it, and we give you a full rundown so that you can go out and be confident on your sessions. Professional practice is around you developing. So we look at your skill set, we look at how we can help you get better and how we can help you improve as an instructor. And we also signpost you to other places where you can do further training and further development. The behaviours part of the apprenticeship relates to how you behave during the programme. Okay, so how you hold yourself, how you communicate with customers, how you communicate with staff, are you on time every day? Are you behaving as the ideal Rockley employee, and are you following our Rockley values? So that's the rundown of the units, but like I said, it's all related to the job that you're actually doing. So everything you're learning, it all links in on the apprenticeship. It's not that you are learning something that isn't useful to help you do a better job. So I think I've mentioned this, but just to be really clear, this is a very practical based course, and as this is a job and therefore you will be an employee, you really need to be able to hit the ground running and be ready to work. Now, I'm not saying that to put anybody off, but with the difference between doing a training course and doing an apprenticeship is that you are coming in to work, and so as an apprentice we will give you all of the support that you need to get you up and running, and we'll have a full induction process at the start of the year where you'll get trained, but I don't want anybody thinking that they're coming in to make tea and to shadow and not really do a job. This is a job role, and we're excited for young people to be coming and joining us and joining the industry. We'll give you all of the support that you need, but this is different to a college course. This is an apprenticeship, and it is about you coming in, being ready to work and really wanting to get started in the industry. So basically, you've seen lots of things now, you've seen lots of pictures of all of our instructors in the background there. And, you know, if you love sport and you love the outdoors, a programme like this can be really, really good for you. So if you want to earn while you learn, so that's the other thing that really stands apprenticeships out, is that you do get paid to do a programme like this. That makes it very different to a college-based course. If you enjoy learning practically, and what I mean by that is being hands-on, you will be in situations alongside our experienced team where you will be delivering and you will be doing. And so if you enjoy learning practically, then this is a really, really good course for you. And you will gain nationally recognised qualifications as part of the course. And so if all of this sounds like you and you're ready to get stuck in and be hands-on, then this could really, really work for you. So the entry requirements for the Outdoor Activity Instructor Apprenticeship, we're looking at 4 GCSEs at grade 4, including English and Maths. Now, we have that to ensure that you are able to do your job and that you're able to be successful at the role. The instructor apprenticeship is extremely competitive. We get a lot of applications for this programme. So we do have the entry requirements there for a reason. But if you haven't met these entry requirements, we have lots of other courses that we can offer you where we can then help you get ready to then go on to the Outdoor Activity Apprenticeship. So if you really aspire to do this course but don't meet the entry requirements, please don't worry. We've got other courses available for you that we can help you with, get you up to that standard, and then move you on to this at a later date. So you'll need lots of enthusiasm and energy for this one. Not be afraid to work hard while you learn. And you will need some experience in the water sports already. Now, I'm not saying that from a perspective that you need to already be up to instructor standard, but you do need to be able to understand some of the sports that we cover already and have a bit of a background and have had a go at them before. So these are the activities that we do. You don't need to be a hero at all of them, obviously, but if you've got some experience in them, then that's brilliant. So we cover sailing and windsurfing, we cover powerboating, kayaking, canoeing and stand-up paddleboarding. And then on the land, we do go hill walking, mountain biking, orienteering and navigating, and we go rock climbing, and every year we run a ski and snowboard trip. So these are the activities that you'll cover as part of your apprenticeship. You will gain lots of instructor training, and all of our students benefit from our free optional instructor training programme, so they get over £2,000 worth of qualifications. So you will get trained up in a range of sports, so these are the ones that are available to you. So sailing and your RYA dinghy instructor qualification being the aim, windsurfing and your RYA windsurfing instructor being the aim, powerboat level 2 and your first aid certificate. Now you might join us with very different skill sets, and in which case if you're already an RYA dinghy instructor, we can look at training you up to get other qualifications that we already run at Rockley. So the options are endless really. So if this sounds good, why not complete an application form and return it to us? These are all of the steps to get you started. So complete the application form, get online to www.rockley.org, complete one of our application forms and send it in to us. We'll then get you in for an interview. We'll have a chat about the courses and answer any of your questions, and make sure that you can then leave with a conditional offer, which will be based on your reference and any results if you haven't got them already. You'll get back to us and confirm your place and accept your place. And then on results day, when you have all of your GCSE and A-level results, you can come down and enrol with us. The apprenticeship starts every year in September, and so that's when we would be looking to get you started. So it's all about your future. We're looking for people with the Rockley values and beliefs, and which is ultimately a real can-do attitude and a give-it-a-go approach. We'd love you to get started in the industry with us, and so please do come along to one of our open days. All of our open days are advertised on Eventbrite, so if you get onto that platform and search for Rockley Watersports, all of our events are there. So please come down, come and find out a bit more about the course, and let's have a proper chat about what we can offer you. So hopefully I've gone through as much there as I can about our Level 3 Outdoor Activity Instructor Apprenticeship. We'd love you to come and get involved and start your career with us at Rockley. So for further details or any other information, if you need anything else, please do get in touch. You can email us at claireh@rockley.org, so feel free to email about anything you need. And likewise, our website has so much information there about all of our courses, so you can find us there at rockley.org. So hopefully I've covered everything today and I've helped. If you do have any questions, please do get in touch. We'd love to be able to start a conversation with you and get you started on your journey into the industry. Okay, thanks so much for your time today.